welcome to the Codegarden 2024 Awards. As you can see, they keep getting bigger and better every year. Pyrotechnics this year do not start on fire. I even see plastic over the things in front, so we're being very cautious tonight. But what a privilege to host again. Andy, I am, by the way, this year I am joined by my co-host, Andy Avedale. Say hello, Andy.
Hello, Andy.
Yes. That's exactly how this is going to go tonight, by the way. So you're looking very sharp tonight, I must say.
As are you. Is this Umbraco Blue?
I do believe
hex?
it was brand selected. It's the hex code. We're good. Yes.
Very impressive.
But I do have to point out, you guys, if you know Andy, there's still a little bit of him in here. Look at this. Yeah. So he's still in there somewhere, but you look quite dapper. So this tux actually has gotten quite a bit of wear already this season.
That's
like
true.
You have been on stage getting a lot of awards over and over again this season. But tonight you get to take some time and recognize others getting awards. So how does that feel?
Feels amazing. And you're right, there is a bit of disco damage to it. I left it backstage and I caught the rabbits doing something to it that I don't want to talk about. But yeah, it's not probably ever going to be the same again.
Yeah, cool. Okay. You've heard me mention this before. You can all join in the glamour of the awards tonight. You should have a bow tie underneath every single seat. So if you don't like the color that you got, you can trade with a friend, fight, whatever you need to do, wear it, whatever makes you feel fancy. We want you to join in of the glamour of the night and be as handsome as my co-host here. So Andy, we've both had quite a bit of experience with the Umbraco Awards to date. So 2 years ago, I was brought up on stage as a juror, and I got to see firsthand how challenging it is to go through all of the nominees and make the selections for the evening. And I believe I actually had the privilege of giving you an award last year as well.
That's right. We were up here with Team Tangent last year picking up the Jury's Choice Awards. It changed our presence in the Umbraco community and the wider industry. Now, these awards are a big deal, and the competition this year was super fierce. So if you guys are in the nominees list and your name gets called out tonight, you should feel incredibly proud. We've got 7 categories to get through and some well-deserved nominees. If you're one of the lucky winners, please come and join us on the right-hand of the side of the stage. Come up, collect a certificate, trophy, and say a few words.
Excellent. So in addition to those 7 categories tonight, we have 2 very special categories. Those are the Jury's Choice and the Partner Solution Award. Our jury has been busy looking through almost 200 nominees this year. It takes hours and hours of work. They take it very seriously. And we have some of our jury here in the audience tonight. You saw them on the intro screen. But if you are a juror here in the audience, would you please stand up and be recognized for the hard work that you've done to get to us to this point tonight? So if you're here, Nadine, thank you. Yes, good. Excellent. There are a ton of hours that go into this, and you guys get to see the end result, which is super exciting for all of us. So, Andy, I kind of twisted your arm to do this with me this year. You originally said flat out, no, there's no way I would do this with you. But you know how I won him over? I said that he could shoot a confetti cannon. I know. And they're especially hard to do this year, by the way. But would you like to join me in kicking off our awards tonight and shooting one of the legendary cannons?
It's been a lifelong ambition of mine to shoot a confetti cannon. So, absolutely yes.
Okay. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it here.
Which way does it go?
I know. This is a thing. He showed me a clip of someone in the UK that did it the wrong way. Has anybody seen that? It was, not good. So, I think it would be funny. It would probably go down in, the awards history of you shooting the wrong direction.
I tried.
But I would not advise it. So, yes. So, you can see that there are arrows. One goes this way, one goes that way.
How hard could it be?
It can be hard. So, again, this is a legendary, iconic moment. Get your cameras ready. We're going to kick off the awards tonight. Let's see if you can actually make this thing go. Do not aim it at anyone. Don't aim it at yourself.
Try not to.
Okay, we're going to count to 3, and on 3, we're going to go. Are you ready?
Born ready.
Seriously, do not aim it at
Aim it at anybody. Okay, you guys are fine. Relax. You looking a bit nervous, Mike? It's going to be fine.
Okay.
Fine.
You ready? One, go on 3. 1, and you do it hard. 1, 2, 3. No! Guys!
It's easy.
Seriously, they're super hard this year. It's not funny. I even told you. Here, let me take that from you.
Thank you.
That was really embarrassing, you guys. I work out. Come on. Anyway, so we're going to kick off the awards tonight. We have our first category, which I think you have the pleasure of introducing.
Absolutely. Up first is Best Cloud Solution. Now here we're going to see some exciting projects that make the best of Umbraco Cloud, and in particular, cloud-native features. Let's have a look at some of the nominees.
Best Cloud Solution. Visarc created an extremely cost-effective way of rolling out new sites by using baselines, and they made a well-designed solution in general. What makes this solution remarkable is the ease that new dealer websites to be deployed in a templated yet flexible fashion. The functionality developed and delivered through the app not only provides a wealth of content to users, but presents it in an engaging format to really help their audience learn. The editor experience is built in a way that allows them to easily create and visualize the complexity of scenarios. The integration between Umbraco Cloud and Firebase for offline mobile usage is a very impressive solution. Toxic shows not only how to make great solutions on Umbraco Cloud, but also how to make a good business case by utilizing the advantages provided in cloud. I see a huge boost in user empowerment with Toxic and Umbraco Cloud, enabling users to independently launch new sites and streamline the deployment process without any agency assistance.
And the winner of Best Cloud Solution 2024 is Visarc. Now, unfortunately, Visarc can't be here today, but don't worry, through the power of Microsoft Teams, we're going to transport them to Denmark. Absolutely nothing could possibly go wrong. Hi, Team Visarc. How are you feeling with the awards?
Thank you very much. Very good, thank you. Excellent. Pascal the hub.
Now, what does winning Best Cloud Solution mean to you guys?
What can I say? Just fantastic news. We tend to be shy awards competition entrants. We rarely enter competitions. We'll only do it when we have something that we feel is really outstanding. So it's great to have a confirmation, to have the jury confirm that we've produced something that's really quite special.
Fantastic. Well, very well deserved. Please, everybody, be standing for Team Visarc.
Amazing they could join us. No hiccups. This AV team, by the way, is amazing.
Absolutely
so they get
golden.
a huge nod. Good job today, guys. All right. So I feel like I train all year long for this next category. I do all this online shopping, and yet I'm still not a nominee. I don't understand what's going wrong, but, you know, I can keep trying, I guess.
I do probably think our online habits are probably slightly different. I'm more of a middle aisle of Lidl kind of guy, which is actually where we got your bow ties from tonight, so you should all be very proud about that.
So I don't actually know what Lidl is. I don't think we have that. But we have like the aisle of shame in Aldi. Is that the same? Do you guys have that?
It's the same.
It's like the one aisle that you shouldn't go down, but you do, and then there's like that lawn ornament or something that you just feel calling your name. Yeah, that's me. Anyway, in all seriousness, this category recognizes outstanding implementations and the diverse ways of building unique projects with Umbraco Commerce. The nominees are
Best Umbraco Commerce Solution. Frontis embodies the power of Umbraco Commerce in managing intricate, customized products. With their custom configurator, they empower store owners to effortlessly create diverse product variants, all showcased within a beautiful designed commerce site. Web Wonders made a well-crafted solution for Ortessa, with some great Umbraco Commerce customizations that blend seamlessly into the back office. Especially the flexible pricing based on postal codes and container types seems very intuitive and make a good impression. Overall, a well-made solution that presents itself well on both front end and back end. Here's a shining example of utilizing the asset of Umbraco Commerce's ability to blend product presentation with brand storytelling seamlessly. Enjoy Digital demonstrates the platform's flexibility while meeting B2B demands with finesse.
All right, and I get the pleasure of announcing this year's winner. Best Commerce Solution for 2024 is Enjoy Digital. Please join us on stage. Congratulations, here you go. Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, well, thank you. I'm incredibly humbled and thank you for this award. This was our second headless build and the first using Umbraco Commerce and the first using the Content Delivery API. I want to say thank you to the various developers who have worked on the solution and everyone involved, but a special thanks to Matt for first creating vendor, which is now Umbraco Commerce. It's a fantastic commerce platform, and I look forward to building more sites with it in the future. So thank you.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Now, our next category tonight is Most Innovative Solution. This isn't just about using new tech, but this is about taking existing tech and applying it in new ways to create value for the clients. This category pays tribute to bold people that are willing to make change in their fields. Let's have a look at the nominees.
Most Innovative Solution. This project is a wonderful example of Umbraco's ability to power many brand touchpoints at scale and deliver tangible ROI. Umbraco is at the heart of a complex ecosystem of data exchange across multiple user touchpoints, all seamlessly working together, providing a real-time optimal experience for end users. The itineraries created are actually suggesting things that I would want to visit, even as a local, knowing the cities quite well. AI is implemented in a way where I don't feel like I'm interfacing with an AI, but it is clear how it is enriching the itinerary content. The user interface is intuitive, and the time saved on creating an itinerary is immense. I am very impressed by this. Well done. Arrow really showcases the breadth of the use cases Umbraco supports. It's inspiring to see how Umbraco can be used effectively to work with smaller, versatile pieces of content that are presented in a chat-based and interactive interface through the Content Delivery API to a web app. It's innovative to see how Arrow successfully has created a very engaging content app with Umbraco.
And the winner is Perplex.
I got it. It's my buddy Jeffrey. Aww. Congratulations. Here's your award. Here's your certificate. Please say a few words and give us a break.
Yeah, first of all, thank you for organizing this very well. But you're not the only one that made a mistake. Last year, we were nominated also with Ariva, but they submitted it in the wrong category. It was nominated for Best Cloud Solution, and it wasn't on cloud. So I was really happy that I didn't win. So this is a perfect fit. But thank you. Yeah, it was funny. But thank you, Ariva, for trusting Perplex that we could deliver this fantastic solution, creating a website, an app, screens, everything together with Umbraco. It's really cool. Thank you for the team. Here are 4 of those heroes. And also the team back home. Yeah, we love Umbraco. We try to maximize everything that we have in Umbraco. And I'm incredibly proud to be up here. So thank you.
Congrats. Congrats, Perplex. I feel like you need to grab some confetti and throw it again. Did you know that we actually pay an extra fee to have all the confetti cleaned up after this event? It's just a lot. I got back and I changed my clothes and I literally already had confetti just flying out on the floor, so that's fun. But thank you. Oh, do you think this is going to help things?
And CEO of the Year goes to Kim.
Yeah, woo! I mean, to be fair, Andy, I did say in my welcome this morning that there are a lot of surprises. Nothing goes as planned. I mean, there probably is going to be a bunny that comes up here to get an award. I have no idea.
Probably after
So
my
you just got to
tucks
be
again.
prepared.
Yeah.
Also not my fault. Okay, so the next category, moving on, because we are professionals. So the next category is best editing experience. When I started building websites in the 90s, yes, I'm old, our editing experience was quite different, right? You needed to rely on a developer, an agency to make your changes for you. CMSs weren't really a thing. If they were, you were trying to write your own. It was crazy. If Andy was allowed to talk, he would say like editing experience was like chiseling into stone because I'm so old. But
I
you
would
know,
never say that.
You would because you did. But anyway, so that's okay. I understand. You're just a young pup. But anyway, super important is the editing experience. So this category means that a positive editing experience leads to happier end users. This category highlights projects that demonstrate a seamlessly connected front and back end, making it elegant and intuitive for the editor. So let's see the nominees.
Best editing experience. Trez enhanced user experience for editors and brought new pages to life seamlessly and very quickly. Very good mix of editor freedom while keeping everything on brand. Seems super easy to work with and with a very nice preview directly in the back office. Developed the editing experience to really suit their clients' needs with 3D modeling. The ability to make modifications from the preview page is impressive. Emergent has created an inspiring custom view solution with thumbnails to display the different elements available for editors within their block grid. Emergent's use of the language variant to determine regions is a refreshing use of built-in functionality. The localization capability and intuitive design make this content editing experience a standout.
All right, fingers crossed this category. And the winner of best editing experience is Emergent Software. I know this guy. Are you going to crack a joke about this or what?
Well, yes. Emergent Software of Minnesota, home of the Vikings, Carlos Santi, Mosquitoes, and now best editor experience. How does it feel?
Uh-oh.
Feels great, feels great.
Would you like to say a few words about your new award?
Yeah, I mean, I thank the whole team who worked on it, especially the full emerging team. Thank the Burger Capital team, just being a great partner to work with and really, able to solve problems. And then just thanking Umbraco to, who made this flexible solution that allows us to really think through the authoring experience and make a seamless authoring experience.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us. I know you're 7 hours difference from our time zone here because, I'm in the same time zone. So at least it's the middle of the afternoon and you didn't need to join the welcome at 2 a.m. But we appreciate you being here with us this evening at the awards, and maybe I'll just hand deliver your awards the next time I'm up there. Congratulations.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right,
yeah,
everybody
thank
give
you.
them applause.
Right, best design site. It's quite ironic that I am presenting this category. 1, I am colorblind. 2, on a bad day, I can't even spell design. Now that doesn't mean I don't hugely appreciate the work that's done here. I thought last year's winners, .control, did a fantastic job, and I absolutely love the entry. So, on with this year. Best design site. The jury were looking for designs that blew them away. Not just visually, but from a web standards perspective. This is where beautiful markup meets stunning design. Let's see the entries.
Best designed site. Beautiful design that masterfully blends the physical reality of the customer with the digital reality on their website. It is rare to see web solutions that reflect their client's reality this well. Screen Media's integration of brand visuals throughout this web page is truly impressive. The site clearly explains the proposition, the UX is on point, and the brand detail across the site and pages give it that extra magic that you don't often see in the financial sector space. This website beautifully articulates Thread's brand in a digital solution with an interface that is intuitive and engaging. Depth's incorporation of brand visuals into the website storytelling creates a powerful connection between the product and its online representation. Using the lines of the charging station roof as a brand element brings a lovely and subtle motion.
Okie dokie. And the winner of Best Design Site is Screen Media. Funnily enough, we actually thought you were joining online, so here you go. Please say a few words.
Yeah, sure. We'd like to thank the client for having the trust in us to basically push forward on this project with beautiful design. I'd also like to thank the development team and the designers for working very closely together. It's been a joyful project, and thank you very much. Yep, basically.
Congratulations. Let's hear it for Screen Media. Okay, just when you thought tonight couldn't take a turn for the worst, I'm going to tell a joke. Carla.
What?
Why did the Scarecrow win Best Partner Solution?
I don't know, Andy, why?
Because they were outstanding in their field. All right, I am sorry. ChatGPT did actually write that joke, so maybe
I
AI's...
should have expected this, but anyway. Okay, so I mentioned before we have 2 special categories. These are 2 special that were selected by our jury. So I mentioned earlier how much time and effort goes into reviewing these nominees. I don't think you understand what it might be like to go through a spreadsheet of almost 200 entries, putting time and effort into reviewing every single one. It's a huge commitment for our jurors, which means that if you do get nominated or actually win, this is a really big deal. So in this category, Best Partner Solution, We've been looking to find the best partner solution of all of the categories. So it means if you're a partner, no matter what category you're in, you're a nominee, which is difficult, right? Like, is it best design better than best commerce? It's a very difficult job. But these people definitely deserve some recognition. So let's take a look at our nominees this evening.
Best Partner Solution. Screen Media is not only first movers when it comes to new Umbraco features and products, they also leverage the Umbraco ecosystem by utilizing and customizing open-sourced packages to drive personalized experiences in their commerce project. I am impressed by how well put together this solution is. 10,000 products in a solution that is easy to navigate is impressive. And so is the 23% reduction in carbon footprint. Well done. The way the design is put together creates a perfect connection between the real-world charging stations and the website. I have rarely seen such a well-executed brand implementation in a web solution. Depth's incorporation of brand visuals into the website storytelling creates a powerful connection between the product and its online representation. Using the lines of the charging station roof as a brand element brings a lovely and subtle motion.
All right, let's take a look. Our best partner solution for 2024 is Dept. What do you think of that? That's pretty cool, right? Please say a few words.
Yes, so I guess I'll be short. I'd just like to thank the whole team.
That wasn't a joke, you guys. Be nice.
I'd just like to thank our awesome team at Dept. It was quite a challenge to build the website, but I think it turned out great. And also the client for the trust they put on us. And I think we built an amazing product together. And that's it.
Excellent.
Right. Now, who here has heard of Crufts? Anybody?
Seriously, no one's raising their hands. Oh, like one person.
Good, I can see a few hands.
Thanks, Nadine.
For those who haven't, Crufts is a dog show in the UK, and us Brits absolutely love it. Now, you've got a lot of categories in Crufts. You have like miniatures and hounds, but at the end of the dog show, one dog from all the categories gets announced best in show. Now, this is the Umbraco solution equivalent.
Right. You know what's ironic is in the US, we have the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show. That's our big one. So that's, who's heard of that? Can I get more hands for that one? Okay, still just one person. Cool. Nobody's into dogs. But you have a dog, Merlin.
I have a dog,
Is he a contender for winning one of these awards?
No, he has a slightly wonky leg, a bit of a gammy eye, and they do say dogs look like their owners, so yeah.
Ah, that was going to be my joke, but I'm so glad you said it because now I look nice. But
so,
go ahead.
this is the Jury's Choice Award. This is where the jury pick the best of the best from all of the categories. Or the Umbraco solution with the shiniest coat and the wettest nose. Now let's have a look at the nominees.
Jury's choice. Novicel elegantly exemplifies a crucial truth. The editor experience remains uncompromised even in constructing a DXP architecture incorporating a DXO layer. This perspective is paramount in large-scale setups, and Novicel executes it beautifully. This website is a world-class example of how beautifully executed design, grounded in robust primary research, delivers real value for the client and users. The design is alive without being noisy. The conversion rates speak for themselves, and the organization of a lot of content makes sense and is easy to navigate. This is a site I just want to continue exploring. Yo-Yo displays how society's goal of reaching net zero emissions can be worked into a web solution in a phenomenal way. They achieved a 96% reduction in web page CO2 emissions and ensured that not only is the solution optimized to have as low impact as possible, they considered the whole value chain and hosted it on a renewable energy as well.
Okay. And the winner of the Jury's Choice Award, the Umbraco Awards 2024, is Gorm by Envision.
Whew. I mean, this means a lot, not only to me, but to the entire team at Gorm Envision. It's their hard work, passion, and dedication that brought us and me tonight on stage. So this achievement goes to them. I would like also to thank the client, TR Concerthuso, for giving us the trust and the opportunity to bring this project to life. Their feedback and support helped us to make a great project. And lastly, I would like to thank everyone here for inspiring us with your great projects and ideas. And I wish good luck to all the nominees in the Umbraco Award. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Don't. Okay, so on to our next category and our last category. I'll be presenting this one because I'm a professional, and if you can already see what he's doing, this is not going to go well. So he might giggle a little bit, but our Umbraco Package Awards. In all seriousness, the Umbraco Package Award celebrates the outstanding contributions to the amazing Umbraco package ecosystem. Stop. This year we received 72 submissions, showcasing 29 unique packages in this category. Our dedicated judges have worked hard to test each one. Let's take a look at the nominees.
Package Award.
Okay. All right, this is a big deal. It's not something to giggle about at all. Our Umbraco Package Award goes to Accessibility Reporter by Matt Benjamin.
Winner of Umbraco Package Award 2024, Accessibility Reporter. The detail in this package is fantastic, highlighting the areas of the page that don't meet the specification with links to fix it. Not only does it help with development, but this also puts accessibility in view of the content editors, and this is going on my list of must-haves for future projects.
Go ahead, please say a few words.
Haley was not expecting that, so I haven't said anything.
Oh, there's a fancy one. Oh, wait, let me hand that to you. Look,
Okay.
look how cool this one is. It's special.
Fancy it. Thank
There
you.
you are.
Thanks to a few people. Jack Durkin's helped out a lot on the project, and Warren Buckley as well. If everyone can install the package tomorrow, that'd be great. And if anyone wants to get involved in it, chat to me. I've got loads of more ideas to make it a whole lot better. But yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations. All right, over time, certain packages become cornerstones within the Umbraco package community and ecosystem. To honor these exceptional packages, we established the Umbraco Package Hall of Fame last year. It was new. This category recognizes well-established, highly acknowledged, and widely used packages that represent significant accomplishments. This year, we're thrilled to recognize 2 new entries to the Umbraco Hall of Fame. Before I acknowledge them, I would like to point out that this is literally not a joke, but our Package Hall of Fame is on the hallway into the toilets this year. They're in full display for you to check out the packages. But adding to that collection to the Hall of Fame, we have 2 new nominees, the U-Marketing Suite and Skybrule Redirect. Play video.
Package Hall of Fame. U-Marketing Suite has been awarded a spot in the Package Hall of Fame for its extensive and robust package that enhances Umbraco as a digital experience platform, adding analytics, A/B testing, personalization and profiling. U-Marketing Solutions has been proactive in adapting their package to new features and products from Umbraco HQ, like adding headless support and a commerce integration. Throughout the years, they have contributed to the development of Umbraco, as well as the maintenance and support of U-Marketing Suite. Skybrule redirects, widely adopted in many Umbraco projects, this package offers URL redirect management that goes beyond the functionality built into Umbraco itself. With its long-standing history of maintenance and updates, like adding support for importing redirects, it's an invaluable asset to most Umbraco projects and the Umbraco ecosystem.
Help me in congratulating our winners for this evening. So for those of you that have won, please come up to the stage after the awards and we're going to get your picture. If you have actually won an award this evening, we're going to do the same. So please come up. We're going to turn on the sparks for you, not start you on fire, but get a really cool picture. So if you've been one of our winners tonight, please join us on stage after the awards.
Unfortunately, that's it. We're drawing to an end now. I'd like to say congratulations to all the winners. Let's hear it for the winners.
Woo!
Thank you for the Umbraco events team. They've done a fantastic job. The AV team have been purely professional. Let's give it up for the AV team and Umbraco team. And lastly, thank you for the jurors. Guys have put in tons of work and fantastic job. What a great evening.
Yes.
I am already counting down the moments to 2025.
Yeah, you excited to be up here on stage again? Never again,
Yes.
he says. But stick around. Join us for some drinks and some nibbles, as your mother would say. So our venue here is open for another hour. Just be advised, I assume several of you went out last night and were able to show up on time. Some weren't, Jake, this morning. But please enjoy the evening responsibly. We have a big day tomorrow. Talks start at 9 a.m., so we expect to see you in these seats here at that time. But again, we have this amazing super secret dinner tomorrow night, so make sure that you're planning accordingly. You can make it to the dinner tomorrow night. Something, again, super secret is going to happen on this stage that only a handful of people know, and you don't want to miss it. So until then, have a wonderful evening. And again, congrats to this year's winners. Congratulations, everyone.